Hello everyone! Thank you so much for those who attend or join on my FB Live today. It was a very successful one. Congratulations for those who won sa mga ating mga pa-prizes, and for those who, yung mga hindi nanalo, ano lang po, I do something, no? After this grand raffle, don't you worry, I will not throw your names ba. It might have, we have some blessings. I do something dun sa mga hindi nabunot, no? And a lot of people have a lot of entries na inano yun, na ginawa, and I know your effort. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nag-join, and the live, it's like more than 2 hours. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nag-join at nagtiyaga na samahan ako sa aking first FB Live nitong 2024. Thank you so much to really join with me. And of course, I wanna say thank you to Mami Angge. Mami Angge, thank you so much for this accessories, no? Ayan, I feel love. O, diba? Thank you so much for this, Mami Angge. And I really appreciate, very siya, thoughtful. Ayan, thank you for this. Ayan, sinuot ko na siya. And nakita na, nasa live ko siya kanina. Kaya maraming salamat, Mami Angge, for this. Ayan, so, ayan, it might be, gagawa ako ng konting ating paraffle sa mga hindi na bonus. So, antabayanan nyo po yan on my coming live. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and God bless. Happy New Year everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today sa aking live. Maraming salamat.